Y'all, could this be the world's best V-part wig? What's up, YouTube fam? In today's video, we are going to be reviewing, taking a look, unboxing this Unice wig that I have on my head currently. So you probably clicked on this video because either you're trying to buy hair from Unice, you're trying to, find a solution to, for hair, or you're just like looking for a V-part wig. So I have been eyeballing Unice for a few years, since I think Tierra Walker used to post about it or used to use their hair, and I've been eyeballing them for a minute, but I've tried hair from different online stores and it's always okay at first, and then it just like doesn't hold up well, or it sheds, or it's just not, so I took a break from buying hair, and then I recently purchased this V-part wig because I just kept seeing the ad, and they were having a Labor Day sale. So I insert some clips of the unboxing, but this is the hair. This is my first day wearing it, but I wanted to wear it for a full day before I actually gave a review. Granted, it's still only a full day, but I did wash this hair, dye this hair, and I let it air dry, so I didn't like put any heat to it yet. But let me just give y'all a look, and I'll take it off so y'all can see. But I know with the V-part wigs, they say that you can wear it without any leave out, but I do have leave out in here. I have a little bit of leave out right here and then around the edges, because maybe I'll do a video. Let me know if y'all would like to see how I would install it or how it would look with no leave out. But I like the more natural look. If you've been following me for a while, I don't like the super wiggy look. But so this hair has not shedded, like, even though I've only had it I've only worn it for a day, the process of like washing, detangling, styling it, in a sense brushing it, it really doesn't shed like that. Look at the hair. So it definitely blends nicely with my hair, but and this is the body wave hair. Scoot back a little bit. Okay, and I have, so this body wave, and it is 24 inches. Originally, so this was definitely a little investment. I don't know how much y'all spend on hair, but I don't spend a whole lot. But this was an investment. So it was, originally I was going to get the 26 inches because I'm tall and I want it long. But I got 24. It comes, so while it's wavy, it comes about to the top of my butt crack, slash like by my belly, a little bit below my belly button. But I was gonna get 24 inch. I ordered 24 inch, and then I got a text message within a couple of days saying that it did not pass quality check or quality something, and to see if I wanted 24. And I wanted this hair for my first day back into the office. So look at this hair, y'all. I wanted this hair for the first day back in the office because this is gonna be my wig for hopefully the rest of the year. It'll either be this or braids, and I don't want to just have my natural hair out. I'm gonna have a braid down, which I'll show y'all in a second. Simple, typical, nothing new or crazy, but I really just wanted to show y'all the wig. And it's super flat. It's nothing too crazy, and if I find the details, I'll put it in the video as far as the size. I know the density is 200, and I think it was just like a normal head size. So this was slightly big for my head, but it does have the adjustable straps in here that can allow you to tighten it a little bit. I wish it would tighten just a little bit more, because I don't consider myself having a small head, but it's just a little big for me. But overall, I love this hair so far. I will keep y'all updated if y'all want to know. So just let me know in the comment section if y'all want to update like in a few months, or not a few months, maybe like a couple months, because it's already September. So this is my now through the end of the year wig. So I'll do an update in a couple months. If this video gets enough views or enough engagement, I'll let y'all know. But look at this hair. It's really pretty, y'all. It's body wave. My sisters complimented me this morning and was like, oh, it looks really good. And I thought I had used a box of Dark and Lovely Jet Black. If y'all have seen my channel, I've done how I dye my hair jet black because I just love jet black. And I just dyed it with the Dark and Lovely, just one box. I thought I was going to need 2 because the hair was really brown when I got it, but I think the one was enough. I think, you know, in a month or so I might dye it again because, like I said, I really like the jet black look. But again, this is the body wave, really in its natural state with me just washing it and letting it air dry. I did twist it. I put it in 2 little twists just so it wouldn't look frizzy, because it was starting to look a little frizzy when it was drying. So, but yeah, this is the hair. This is like so pretty. Like, I really was like, let me make this video for somebody who might be like me, who's been like trying to find a good solution, like a really good hair that you can invest in, and it's like actually quality. Like, it's not shedding, the density is great. I think the YouTube video that I watched, the girl had a 250 density, so I was looking for that, but they did not have it on the website when I purchased. But I think 200 is just as good. What I did not want, what I've got before, is hair that was, I think I probably have gotten like 150 density, and it's just like, it doesn't feel like enough hair on your head. It feels like it's stringy. I don't like that look. Turn around. And then let me get back a little bit. Like, look how this hair is moving. Y'all, could this be the world's best V-part wig? Just might be. It just might be. But all in all, I really love this wig so far. Like, I think it, and I will say too, so I showed y'all the you know, how the inside looks, like the clamps and stuff. There are, let me just show y'all, this piece here that's supposed to like be here, so it doesn't quite fit perfectly like to my head sizes, but obviously it's not a customized wig, so the ear pieces are a little you know, a little doesn't quite fit, so I either put it behind my ear or I gotta force it in front of my ear. But it's like this doesn't quite fall. I think it's supposed to go here, like for the little sideburn effect, but instead I had to push it behind my ear because, again, I think this is, even though it says normal as far as the wig size, I think it's a little bigger than normal head size, because I consider my head a normal head size, and it's given a little bit bigger than normal. That's my only con so far on this wig, y'all, is just the sizing. But it doesn't feel like it's loose. It feels secure because it has, you know, comb, or the little, what do you call it, snap, comb, and then the band to tighten. So it definitely feels secure. I might experiment and do like different styles. I definitely want to do some glam stuff on my channel. I haven't done that in a while, and I think I want to do like a sexy like date night look because I'm like on the dating market again. So I think I want to do that. Just checking to see if any hair shedded in the midst of this conversation, but it hasn't. Like some wigs, by the time I'm done with this video, I will have hair all over my clothes, but I don't. I really don't. Oh, and what I wanted to do is, so the little, you know how all the wig places or some of them give you the little gifts inside? I thought it was so funny that all of their stuff is branded, first of all. Even so, they had some little glasses in here. This case is, the lighting is weird, but it has like their logo right here. So I wanted to try on the little, once I had installed my wig, I wanted to try on the little glasses. So at first when I opened it, I was like, okay, little Beyonce glasses. But then I didn't peep that it says Unice or Unice. I don't know which one it is, but let's see. You're gonna see the ring light and the reflection, but that's okay. I think Unice might need to sponsor me after this, y'all. Okay. But I really love this hair. I think it's going to do what I wanted it to do. I think it's worth the investment so far because, like I said, it's not shedding. It's really soft. I did condition it with the conditioner that came with the Dark and Lovely dye, but all right. Some may want to actually see my braid down, so let me take my thumbnail picture real quick, and I'm gonna come back and take the wig off. Okay, so let me move my hair. The wig is coming off for the day anyway, so y'all can see. But here, okay. So I love the middle part, but yeah. So this is my leave out. Okay, let's unsnap one. Okay, so this is my leave out. It's here, and I just literally have 6 cornrows in the back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the parts are not even straight. The parts are not even straight. They're not super small, but it does the job. And so I just 6 cornrows, put them down with some bobby pins, and then put my little wig on. If I decide to straighten the hair, I might trim the ends, but it's my girl.